Appreciation and depreciation. Appreciation is an increase in the value of an asset over time. Appreciation is the same as compound interest. A equal to P, open your bracket, 1 plus R over 100, close your bracket to the power N, where P is the principal, R is the rate, and N is the number of years. When using the straight line method, appreciation equal to cost price plus appreciation value. Depreciation is the reduction in the value of an asset due to use, wear, and tear. D equal to P, open your bracket, 1 minus R over 100, close your bracket to the power N, where P is the principal, R is the rate, and N is the number of years. Depreciation equal to cost price minus depreciation value. Let's look at some examples. 2015, the insurance company rated the value of a house at 100,000 kwacha. This value appreciates at the rate of 20% each year. Calculate its value after 5 years. The insurance company rated the value of a house at 100,000 kwacha. This value appreciates at the rate of 20% each year. Calculate its value after 5 years. So we are going to say A equal to P, open your bracket, 1 plus R over 100, close your bracket to the power N. Where there's this P, we'll replace 100,000. Where there's R, we'll replace a 20. And where there's N, we'll replace a 5. It will look like that. We'll solve what is in the brackets. 1 is the same as 1 over 1. Common denominator 100. 1 into 100 is 100. 100 times 1 is 100. 100 into 100 is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Add 100 plus 20. You get a 120 over 100. Express it as a decimal. It is the same as 1.2. So we have 100,000 multiplied by 1.2 to the power 5. If you multiply 1.2 by itself 5 times, where you say 1.2 times 1.2 times 1.2 times 1.2 times 1.2, you are going to get 2.48832. Multiply 100,000 times 2.48832, you get 248,832. So the value after 5 years was 248,832 kwacha. 2016, a freezer costing 4,000 kwacha is depreciated using the straight line method at 5% per year. Find its book value after 4 years. A freezer costing 4,000 kwacha is depreciated using the straight line method at 5% per year. Find its book value after 4 years. So we'll take it step by step. Get 5% of 4,000 is the same as 5 over 100 times 4,000, which is giving us 200 kwacha. So it depreciated at 200 kwacha per year. Now the question is saying find its book value after 4 years. So the depreciation value after 4 years was 200 kwacha times 4, which is giving us 800 kwacha. Value after 4 years was 4,000 kwacha minus the depreciation value, which is 800 kwacha, which is giving us 3,200 kwacha. So the freezer cost 3,200 kwacha after 4 years. 2018, farmland, which is valued at 80,000 kwacha, appreciates by straight line method at 10% per year. What is its book value after 2 years? So we are going to get 10% of 80,000 kwacha, which is the same as 10 over 100 times 80,000 kwacha, which is giving us 8,000 kwacha. The appreciation value after 2 years was 8,000 kwacha times 2, which is giving us 16,000 kwacha. So the value after 2 years is the cost price, which was 80,000 kwacha, plus the appreciation value, which was 16,000 kwacha. Therefore, the value after 2 years was 96,000 kwacha. 2019, Chelsea bought a car at 40,000 kwacha. If it depreciates using the straight line method at 20% per year, calculate its value after 3 years. Chelsea bought a car at 40,000 kwacha. If it depreciates using the straight line method at 20% per year, calculate its value after 3 years. So we are going to get 20% of 40,000 kwacha, which is the same as 20 over 100 times 40,000 kwacha, which is giving us 8,000 kwacha. The depreciation value after 3 years was 24,000 kwacha. To find the value of the car after 3 years, value after 3 years is equal to 40,000 kwacha minus the depreciation value, which is 24,000 kwacha, giving us 16,000 kwacha. So the value of the car after depreciating at a percentage of 20% per year for 3 years was 16,000 kwacha. As simple as that.